Hello everybody, that's me Usama Abu Hajar, and this video I'll be talking about machine learning. So this tutorial has been made as an alternative solution for the final exam in 2020 for my course of software development engineering at IT Carlo during the pandemic of COVID-19. This tutorial has been designed by me building on my previous experience in machine learning, and I will be trying to give you the basic and most important information to make you aware about the term machine learning and what is exactly machine learning means. This video is going to be an intro, so I'm going to talk about what I'm going to cover and what is the tutorial agenda. As we see here, before we start, we're going to talk about some of labels that we're going to hear during the process. So during the process, I'm going to be talking about data, information, data formats, data types. So I would like to introduce these labels for you. So once we head to the coding area, you are already familiar with these actual labels. I'm going to be talking about learning types. So I'm going to be covering the supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement and classifications, clustering. So these type of learnings are important to be known by you. So to know how to pick the algorithms and features videos, you have to understand these learning types. At the same time, one of the things that was always in my head before I learned about machine learning, what is the difference between AI and ML? So AI for artificial intelligence and machine learning for MI. So I always ask myself, what is the difference between these two? So I will try to make them simple to you by like a quick examples and just show you the history of AI, machine learning, and a bit of deep learning as well. And then I'm gonna cover and define what is machine learning exactly and give some examples about the real life of machine learning and how do we use machine learning in our daily life without noticing this. So that's for the section 1, for the intro. Then before I start to apply the machine learning to the data sets I will be back later on, I'll be trying to give some stuff that's going to be like useful to you to learn. So I'm going to be talking about some maths that you need to learn about before you actually head into and deep dive into machine learning. I would love you to learn about Python syntax because we are using Python, so Python is important and Python has a lot of libraries. This libraries is an open source libraries with a lot of functions and has been built, so we're going to define them later on. Using them will be saving our time a lot. So I'm going to be talking about the top 10 algorithms in machine learning. So what are they? Maybe gonna give like a brief descriptions about them. Then like I'm gonna like support you with links to go and read more details about them. From this top 10, I have been picked so far the decision tree algorithm. So I do like logics, so I will explain why I did pick this algorithm, why I think it's a good start, and I'll be talking about the dataset I picked. This dataset has been discussed during the classes with our teacher, Greg Doyle. So we're going to talk about the golf games prediction dataset, why I think it's nice, why it's more familiar with everyone. Then I'm going to head after that to do the coding and practice. So in the coding and practice, I'll be doing some Python, how to install libraries, how to get the dataset, how to organize the dataset, and then how to process data, how to train the algorithm. All this stuff going to be covered later on. Then I'm going to do a conclusion. So far I have this agenda. It might be updated in future. If it's updated, I will let you know in the future videos. But so far I'll be starting with these titles and these headings. So hopefully I'll be giving a simple and easy information to understand by you by the end of this tutorials. You will be able to understand what is machine learning and you will love it more as I do right now. Thank you very much. Watch me for the next videos. If you have anything to say, comment for me or send me an email. Thank you.